Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to add scrolling logo slider in your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Also, if you have started learning Shopify store design, customization or development, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Right now you can see that I have added a scrolling logo slider in my Shopify online store homepage and also added the title or section title in here, trusted by, and you see it's scrolling smoothly from left to right, and if I move on my mouse on hover, it stop to moving. Okay, this is the current picture, but I have added maximum picture on this scrolling logo slider. So first I'm going to show you the picture of this scrolling logo slider, then share the benefit, then I'll share the process how you can add it on your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any app. So let's go back my Shopify store admin panel. Here is my Shopify online store admin panel. Then click online store. By this time, don't forget to click on the like button of this video and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Okay. So you see right now I am on the theme section and we have added latest or updated dawn theme, and I'm going to click on the customize. We have to wait a little bit time. Okay, it's loading, and you see there is a logo slider I have added, and here I have added the logo. So if I click on the logo, the individual logo, I can add logo image, logo link and alter text, also custom hover color. Okay, I'll show you later, but first I'm going to show you the logo slider picture. So click on the logo slider. First you can make it full width section, you can add background color. You see, you can add background color based on your requirement or based on your interest. Okay, so we are going to change it white. Then you can add top padding section. You see, in the same way you can add bottom padding section. Looks here. Okay, so you have total control of this section spacing. Then the heading trusted by, or we can change it our partner. You see, okay, that's when you can control the heading from the customize section. Then you can show or hide the heading, you see, as you like. Okay, also you can change the heading position, left, right, center, as you like. Heading color, looks here. Okay, and if you change the background color black right now, then you can understand the different. Okay, keep it as it, no problem. And also you can change the heading size. Yes, also heading bottom margin, looks here. Yes, and then the slider setting, logo height, we keep it standard height 100 pixel, max logo width 250 pixel. This is the standard size. Slider speed, we can control the slide speed. For example, right now 20. If we add slide speed 1, then we can see the result. Just click on the save and reload. You see, here is the speed. If I change it from 20 or okay, save and reload again. You see, so you can control the slide speed. Okay, also space between logos we keep 50 pixel, we can add 100 pixel, then we can add 0 pixel. Looks here, 5 pixel, as you like. Then push on hover. Right now it active. Click on here and reload. You see, if I hover, the slide stop. Also show logo shadow, we can show logo shadow. It will work if we make our background white, then it will work very nicely. You see, the shadow. Also change the heading color. Okay, then grayscale logos. Let me show you grayscale logos. You see, all the logos right now black and white, that's called grayscale. And if I reload, you see, reload again. Okay, then there have another option, color on hover. If you add grayscale logos, then if we select or choose color on hover, then you can see a different style. Just save, reload, and now see the magic. You see, color on hover. So when you use grayscale logos, must use color on hover for best design. Also the RTL enable, and then the mobile settings, logo height for mobile, space between logos on mobile, and the custom CSS. So here is the all the advanced feature of this logo slider, and you can control everything from this customize option. So I hope that will be very beneficial for your Shopify online store, and you can add it on your Shopify online store very easily without any coding skill or technical skill. Now I am going to show you the benefit, why you should use or what is the advantage of this logo slider. Okay, I have already published an article in my website e-commerce thesis. You see, how to add scrolling logo slider section on Shopify without app. And here the benefit: enhance trust and social probe, displaying well-known logos while credibility, improve aesthetics, no extra cost, avoid monthly app fee by using custom code, you don't have to pay monthly basis, lightweight and fast. So now the big question, how you can add this scrolling logo slider on your Shopify online store. So I have already added. Now I'm going to just show you the process. Very simple. First of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel, then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, then open section folder and simply create a new section and go back my website. You will find this article links in the video description, and add a new file, logo slider.liquid. here is the guideline. Logo slider dot liquid, remove the dot liquid because there are the extension, then click on the done. I have already created this file, so that's why I'm not going to create again this file. Here is the logo slider liquid file. Then simply scroll down and here is the ready code snippet. Just click on here to copy the code and paste it in your file. You have done, and then click on the save. So simple. Exist, go to the customize section and simply, let me show you, simply add new section, search logo, and you see JS logo slider. You see JS logo slider. Here is the logo slider. You can add logo one by one based on your requirement. You see there is all the option. So I hope you understand how to add scrolling logo slider in your Shopify online store without any coding skill, without any app. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.